Gelatin trick is being credited with transforming the way people think about their daily routines. And it's no wonder it blew up on TikTok, let me explain. It all started when users began sharing their own experiences with the gelatin trick, showing how it helped them wake up feeling more refreshed and alert. As the videos racked up millions of views, it became clear that people were hungry for a simple, effective way to boost their wellness. The gelatin trick's viral success can be attributed to its accessibility. All you need is some unflavored gelatin and a few basic ingredients, probably already sitting in your kitchen. My friend, who's been doing the gelatin trick for weeks, swears by its ability to help her drop that sluggish feeling and get her day started on the right foot. Researchers say that the gelatin trick works by supporting the body's natural processes, and as people share their own gelatin trick stories, it's easy to see why it's become a staple in so many daily routines. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, check out the link in my description for a detailed rundown of how to get started. I've also pinned a comment below with some tips and tricks from our community. Head on over and join the conversation to learn more about the gelatin trick and how it can work for you.